Hello students, today we are going to start lesson number 16, that is campaign in the south. Campaign means what? Journey. Journey in the south. Shivaji went to the south side. He traveled towards south side. For what reason? That we are going to see in this lesson. Shivaji went to the south side of India. For what reason? We'll see now. First point we are going to see, that is the plan of campaign. Means what was Shivaji Maharaj's plan of the campaign of the south, that we are going to see now. The coronation ceremony was over, but its joy was short lived. Here, coronation means a ceremony at which a person is made king. Now, Shivaji Maharaj, his ceremony of coronation, it was over, but the joy means happiness, it was short lived, means for short time only that happiness or joy it was there. Why? See, because a short while after the coronation, on 17 June 1674, Ma Sahib passed away, means Jijamata. She passed away. So, after the ceremony, there was a joy which was for short lived, means for short time only joy it was there, because Jijamata died. While all his subjects looked upon Shivaji Maharaj as their protector, means all the subject peoples, they were looking after the Shivaji Maharaj as their protector, means supporter, because Jijamata was no more now. Shivaji Maharaj himself depended upon the advice and his help of Ma Sahib. Means if you see students, from small age Shivaji Maharaj would depend on the advice and help of his Ma Sahib. She was the true guide and guru in his life. Who was true guide and guru, his teacher of Shivaji Maharaj? His mother, that is Jijamata. Guru means teacher. He was deeply grieved, means feel sad at the loss of his mother, but he had very little time for the sorrow, because he has to administer the kingdom which he had established. Means Shivaji was having very less time to express his sorrow, because he had to administer, means look after the work of his Swarajya. He has established Swarajya, that kingdom which he has established, he has to look after that. So he was not having more time for the sorrow. He decided to attack Karnataka. He was no longer afraid of Adil Shah, because the kingdom of Bijapur was practically on its last legs. Means here now Bijapur of Adil Shah, it was on its last leg, means it was collapsed fully. There was no brave person to fight against Shivaji. The real threat means danger to Swarajya, was from the north. For the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb was bidding to his time to destroy the Mughal Emperor. Now real threat means danger for the Swarajya, it was from north. From north, Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, he was bidding, means he was trying to get his time to destroy the Maratha kingdom, means he was trying to destroy the Maratha kingdom. There was no knowing when he would attack and swallow the new kingdom. Swallow means take in hand. There was no knowing, means any time without information Aurangzeb can attack and take the new kingdom in his hand. New kingdom means which? Maratha kingdom, which was established by Shivaji. Shivaji thought that this campaign would create a powerful base in the south, from where he could resist the blows of the Mughals. Means Shivaji Maharaj thought what? That this campaign in the south would create what? Powerful base, means powerful foundation, support in the south, and through that he can resist, means oppose the blows, means attacks of the Mughals. With this in view, means the view of to create a powerful base in south, and from where he can resist the blows of Mughal. With that view, he planned the southern campaign. Southern means south campaign. He approached means what? To speak to Qutub Shah of Golconda for help, and the Qutub Shah readily agreed to give whatever help was needed. Shivaji Maharaj, he speak to Qutub Shah to help him, and he also readily, means willingly, he was ready to help to Shivaji Maharaj. There was yet another reason for the campaign. Shivaji's stepbrother Venkoji was looking after Shahji Raje's Tanjore Jagir in south. Venkoji Raje, he was Shivaji's stepbrother. Stepbrother means what? A son of one's step parents. means here step brother means Marathi. Savatra Bhau means Shivaji's father's another wife's son, that is Venkoji. And this Venkoji Raje, he was looking after Shahaji Raje's Tanjavur Jagir in south, means in south Tanjavur Jagir means one land or area it was there. That who was looking? Venkoji. He would never give Shivaji his share of ancestral Jagir. Ancestor means what? Coming from one's ancestor means father, forefathers. They are called here ancestor. And ancestor Jagir means from father, forefather, whatever Jagir land it was there, that land's share or part. This Venkoji was not going to share with Shivaji. Neither did he display any love for Swarajya. He treated Shivaji with indifference. Indifference means not having interest. Means he was not showing any interest in Shivaji. Shivaji thought that a personal meeting would resolve the dispute and Venkoji could be persuaded to help in the work of Swarajya. Resolve means find solution. Dispute means argument, and persuaded means convince. Shivaji Maharaj thought that personally if he meet to the Venkoji, he can resolve the dispute among themselves and Venkoji could be persuaded to help in the work of Swarajya. Means Shivaji can take help of Venkoji in the work of Swarajya. For this another reason he went to south. Next point we are going to see, that is the visit to Golconda. Shivaji Maharaj started on his southern campaign. Abul Hasan Qutub Shah of Golconda had invited him to visit Golconda. Golconda's Abul Hasan Qutub Shah, he has invited Shivaji Maharaj to visit Golconda. He therefore decided to visit Golconda first and then proceed with his conquest of the south. Conquest means to capture, means whatever he is going to capture in south. For that he decided to go afterwards, and first he decided to visit Golconda. Golconda was the capital, means main city of Qutub Shah's kingdom. He made great preparation to receive Shivaji. A big shamiana, means tent, was put up where the two would meet. As Shivaji entered the capital, people lined the streets to have his darshan. Means how much Shivaji was respected. He got respect in Golconda. See, all the people make line on streets to take darshan of Shivaji Maharaj. Stories of his exploits, means daring acts, were the talk of the whole country. Means everywhere in the whole country there was discussion about the Shivaji's great work. People had heard of the death of Afzal Khan at his hands, of the discomfiture, means defeat of Shaista Khan, and Shivaji's miraculous, surprising escape from the Agra. Because of this, Shivaji Maharaj received a royal welcome. Means in Golconda, Shivaji get a great welcome. How was his royal welcome? See, people showered flowers petals on him from the housetops. Means from the housetop, people showered the petals of flower on him. Acknowledging, accepting this wonderful reception, Shivaji entered Qutub Shah's darbar. Means Shivaji accepted this welcome and Shivaji entered the Qutub Shah's darbar. Means that room, whichever it is there. Qutub Shah came down halfway to receive Shivaji. Means here Qutub Shah, he get up from his place and in halfway middle he come to take Shivaji Maharaj. This much Shivaji was respected in Golconda. He seated Shivaji Maharaj alongside himself as an equal on the specially prepared throne. Means nearby him Qutub Shah has given place to Shivaji and he has made specially throne for Shivaji. On that he has given him place. Throne means that Siyasan, chair for the king. He left nothing undone as far as the reception was concerned. Means whatever preparation was needed for the reception, means for this occasion, that all things Qutub Shah has done. You see, a grand welcome he has done of Shivaji Maharaj. Remaining part we'll see next video. Today's homework, students, you have to read page number 60. Thank you.